Yesterday, an ice cream shop sold 7 vanilla cones and made $28. If the ice cream shop sells 21 vanilla cones today, how much money can the shop expect to make? Well, 7 vanilla cones made $28. Great. How much will 21 vanilla cones make? Well, let's not complicate this. I know that 7 vanilla cones turns into 21 vanilla cones by multiplying 3. So 7 times 3 is 21. Now, how much money did I make off of 7 vanilla cones? Well, I made $28 off of 7 vanilla cones. So if 7 times 3 gives me my 21 vanilla cones, then won't 28 times 3 give me how much money I'll make off of the 21 cones? Well, that's exactly what we do. So let's go off to the side and do 28 times 3. 3 times 8 is 24. Write out your 4. Carry the 2. 3 times 2 is 6. 6 plus 2 is 8. So we get 84. And since we're trying to solve a word problem and it's asking for money, the answer is going to be $84.